Conigma Connect. No code, no effort. Today, we show an example where ServiceNow is synchronized with SAP Solution Manager Charm. On the left side, you see a change request in ServiceNow. On the right side, an empty overview of change documents in SAP Solution Manager Charm. This integration example links ServiceNow Change Management with Charm change documents. Conigma Connect also allows, out-of-the-box, other integration types. For example, ServiceNow Incident Management with SAP Solution Manager Charm. In the present case, a change request was already created in ServiceNow and pushed through the workflow to the status Scheduled. Within the current example, 2 change tasks already exist. Here comes a third one. First of all, it is important to choose the correct task type. The first 4 items we see here are standard types. A new type, Charm Implementation, has been customized for the integration. When the new type is selected, additional fields are displayed. These are needed for Charm-specific data. New fields are, for example, a list of SAP transport requests, Charm change cycle, or Charm status. After all relevant data has been maintained, a submit of the task leads directly to the creation of a Charm change document without any time delay. Here you can see the corresponding Charm document with the change ID end number 1623. When the task on the left side is selected, you can see that this Charm change ID was maintained in ServiceNow as well. If you select the change document in Charm, you will find all the essential information from ServiceNow. This information is transferred in real time. In all further activities, any data, depending on the customizing, can be kept consistent. Real time without time delay. Various triggers for synchronization are possible on both sides. For example, when the status changes in Charm, an automatic synchronization is performed to ServiceNow. The Charm status on the left side is now in development. This is an example of a customer-specific requirement. Other customers would like a corresponding status change in the state field. Now on the right side, for example, an SAP transport request can be created. Here you will find a customizing and a workbench request. This information is synchronized real-time to the left. The same synchronization takes place when a transport request is decoupled. No matter what you change on which side, the information is kept consistent on both sides, with any data to be specified by the customer, revision-proof throughout the entire change process, all along the way to production.